We are going to prove the relation of cosine law. For this, we have we have cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. This is the cosine law. In any triangle, the cosine law verifies in any in this manner. For this, we have we have triangle ABC. Uh, that the coordinates of A is 0 comma 0, coordinate of B is 0 comma C, 0 comma C, no, C comma 0, C comma 0, and the coordinate of C, we have to find the coordinate of C. To find the coordinates of C, we draw the perpendicular CD on AB. CD on AB. Here is cos A. To introduce the coordinates of C, we use that cos A and cos that side B. By using this side and this cos, we can find the coordinates of AD. Here cos A is equal to AD by AC, or AD is equal to AC cos A, or AD is equal to AC means B, side B cos A. AD is equal to B cos A. Similarly, sin A is equal to CD by AC. CD is equal to AC sin A. Now CD is equal to B sin A. From the figure, the coordinates of C will be B cos A, comma B sin A. Now to prove this formula, cosine law, we have distance between BC is equal to root under x2 minus x1 का square minus y2 minus plus y1 square. We have BC square is equal to BC square is equal to B cos A minus B cos A minus C का square plus y2 B sin A minus 0 का square, BC square is equal to, on expanding, B square cos square A minus 2 BC cos A plus C square plus B square sin square A. Now Now I am going to rub for this simplification this side. On going on, BC square is equal to B square cos square A, B square sin square A, taking common B square sin square A plus cos square A plus C square minus 2 BC cos A minus 2 BC cos A. BC square, putting the value BC square from here, from the figure, BC square is equal to A square on A square is equal to B square. This is equal to 1, so that B square plus C square minus 2 BC cos A. Now this will be 2 BC cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square, or cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, which is our first relation. Similarly, we can derive this any other relation from the figure. Similarly, then this is known as the cosine law. In any triangle, the relation between all the sides and the cos A, this relation is known as the cosine law, and this much. Thank you.